Construction accidents are one of the often overlooked areas for many people who are injured on the job. Most think that they only have workers' compensation available to them, but in truth, an office like ours looks very hard to find a way to get compensation for those who are injured, even though on the job, over and above what they get in workers' compensation. Often either a union or non-union worker who's on the job doing carpentry, electrical work, plumbing, whatever the particular task is, and when they're often at elevated heights, they're not given the proper safety equipment that they really need. And as a result, the law protects those who are hurt under those circumstances. Unfortunately, workers' compensation, although it was set up to try and compensate a worker who's injured on the job, it often falls very short of protecting the family income, and it makes it very difficult for them. On a construction site, the owner of the property, or often the general contractor if it's a commercial project or a large residential project, would be held responsible to offer safety equipment to those who are working on the job. And so those at an elevated height who fall and are injured as a result of not having that equipment will be held liable. Very often the workers that are hurt are those who are doing some of the heavy labor on the job on construction sites. They're very often married with children, and they're essentially raising a family and working very hard, often overtime and long hours, to feed that family. And so when someone like that is hurt, it can be devastating to the family.